Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mehraj Kenny from Monster of Math. Today we are going to see chapter 2 whole numbers from CBSE grade 6 max subject. This is the first presentation of chapter 2. In this presentation we are going to see predecessor and successor. If you are seeing this is the first video of mine, you subscribe my channel, do like and don't forget to click the bell icon. Let me start the video. In this video, we are going to see some key concept. That is, first one is introduction, and second one successor, and third one is predecessor, and finally we are going to see some problem for predecessor and successor. First, we are going to see one introduction. So before start the introduction, I am going to show one image for you. That is, so what is the images? You know that this is the Olympic flag. Okay, I'm going to ask one question to you. That is, how many rings are in this flag? You know that how many rings are there? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So totally 5 rings are here. Okay, so now what we have done? Just we have counted. How we can counter? Started from 1, 2, 3, etc. So this is counting numbers. So counting numbers are called natural numbers. So first video of my channel we saying about the natural numbers. So I am going to give the link in the description box. Okay, so this is called a natural number. So now we have learned about the natural numbers. Natural numbers means counting numbers are called natural numbers. So in the natural numbers we are going to show one pictures to you. So we know that it started from 1, 2, 3, etc. This arrow means endless. Okay, it's a moving. Okay, so we know that natural number. What's the meaning of whole number? Just 0 with the natural number, that is called whole number. So let me see. Yeah, see here. From 1 to 10, from 1 we are seeing here natural number 0 together with the natural number, that is called whole numbers. So we are going to see one definitions for that. That is, what's the meaning of natural number? Now only we saw before the slide. Okay, see here, counting numbers are called natural number. That means 1, 2, 3, etc. Okay, there are unlimited natural numbers because it has no end. Okay, so smallest natural number here started from 1. 1 is the smallest natural number. So what's the meaning of whole numbers? Whole numbers means we know that it's a 0 along with the natural numbers. This is called whole numbers. Here smallest whole number, we know that 0 because 0 is a starting number. Okay, so now we have learned about the whole numbers, but we have some notice this, that is, every natural number is a whole number. Yeah, because all the natural numbers contained here. Here started, natural number means started from 1. So here also 0 is extra. So started from 1. This is natural number. So all those natural number is a whole numbers. But a whole number is not a natural number because 0 is here, except zeros. Okay, see here, 0 is the only number which is a whole number but not a natural number. Okay, so next we are going to see about the whole numbers. Okay, if you are not understand from the definition, you can understand now meaning of whole numbers. Okay, see here, whole numbers means we know that natural numbers started from 1, 2, 3, etc. and added 0. So it's both are joined together, we are getting a whole numbers. Okay, another one picture I am going to show you. From this you can understand what's the meaning of natural and whole numbers. Okay, see here, whole numbers contain natural numbers. See here, natural number is in whole numbers. Okay, now we can understand about the whole numbers easily from this both picture. Okay, so next we are going to see successor and predecessor. So what is the meaning of successor? I am going to ask one question to you. What is the meaning of success? We are going to take one step forward. That is the meaning of success. Okay, same things here also we are going to do. Before that I am going to show one picture. From that you can understand what's the meaning of successor. See here is giving steps. Okay, upstairs we are seeing here. Okay, see all those steps has we have mentioned the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 6 etc. up to 10, 11 we have mentioned. So here I said, what's the meaning of success? Just we are going to take one step forward. So here I'm standing here. So okay, you consider I'm standing here. If I'm going to take one step forward means what I'm getting? 1. So this is the 0. You consider this is the 0. Just I'm taking one step forward. If I take up, so what will come? 0 plus 1, 1. So now I got answer is 1. So again I am going to take one step forward. So 1 plus 1, I'm getting 2. Okay, next 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. Now what we have done, so just we take one step forward, that means we have added 1. So plus 1, that is the meaning of successor. Successor means we should add 1 to all those numbers. So if I stand in the first step, if I add 1, we got 2. That means I mean second step. Next I want to do third step means just add 1. Next fourth step means just add 1. Next fifth step means just add 1. 4 plus 1, 5. So up to 11 steps I have to do. This is the meaning of successor. So what's the meaning of predecessor? Suppose I am standing in the fifth step. Okay, now I am going to bring down or get down one step. So what will I have to do? Just 5 minus 1, 4. So I got down in fourth step. Again I am get off in here. 4 minus 1. So third step I need means just I have to jump, that means I get off. Get off means 4 minus 1, 3. Next 3 minus 1, 2. So second step I am standing. Next first step I want to come. So what I have to do? Just 2 minus 1. One step I have to minus from the before the step. So 2 minus 1, 1. And 1 minus 1, 0. So this is the meaning of predecessor. Successor means we have to take one step forward. Predecessor means we have to take one step backward. Okay, that means successor means we have to add 1 plus 1, and predecessor means we have to subtract 1, that means minus 1. This is the meaning of predecessor. Successor, yes, you successor. Predecessor means minus 1. PRE. Okay, now you can understand what is the meaning of predecessor and what is the meaning of successor. Next we are going to see meaning of successor. That is, so successor of a whole number we are going to see. So successor means we are going to adding 1 to whole numbers. That is called successor. Adding 1 to whole numbers. Okay. We know that before the pictures we saw what's the meaning of successor. Now 0 means what's the successor of 0? 0 plus 1, 1. Okay, successor of 1, we should add 1 here. Here also we have adder. Here also we are in adder. Okay. Next we want to add successor of 2. 2 plus 1, 3. This like we have to do. Okay, and so on. Next we are going to see predecessor. Predecessor means we know that is a subtracting 1. Okay, so see here, just a subtracting 1. This is meaning of predecessor. Here we are going to do subtractions. Except 0, other than 0. Okay, remaining all the numbers are possible to write the successor. Okay, see here one example, 1 minus 1, 0, because we know if we want a predecessor of 1, okay, we are subtracting minus 1. Next we want a predecessor of 2, just 2 minus 1, we got 1. 2 minus 1, 1. 3 minus 1, 2. Predecessor of 3, we got it. And note we have, what is that? So that is Yeah, 0 does not have a predecessor. Why? Because 0 minus 1, we got the answer is minus 1. Minus 1 is not a whole number. Minus 1 is not a whole number. So 0 does not have a predecessor. Okay, and second one is all those whole numbers except 0, remaining all the numbers have predecessor. Okay, so next we are going to see problem for successor and predecessor. That is, write the successor and predecessor of, okay, 3, option A, option B, option C is, okay, 3 numbers we have. Now we are going to find successor and predecessor for these 3 numbers. So first we are going to find 10,000. 10,000, what is a predecessor of 10,000? So predecessor means we know that minus 1. Successor means we should add. If we had 10,000, we have 10,000 plus 1. So what we have to get? 10,001. That is the successor. Okay. So successor easily we have to get. But predecessor how can we get? Because here is given 10,000. So 10,000 minus 1 means how we can subtract? We know that this is the borrowing method. So we have to change. Here if we want to borrow means 10 change it to 9. It has to give ones in 0. So now we got a 10 again 9. Here 10s again 9. So now we got a 10. 10 minus 1. Here 9. So what is here? 9 9 9. So you know the subtraction. So predecessor of 10,000. So 10,000 minus 1, 9,999. Next another one sum is we have, that is 99,999. Successor if we have added with 1. So what we have to get? If we have added with 1 here, 9 change it to 0. Another 1 will come here. So just we should add 1 plus 9. 10 again 1 is up. Okay, again 0, 10, 9, 10, 1. So we got the answer is 1 lakh. That is a successor. Predecessor means 9 minus 1, 8. So we got the answer is 99,998. Okay, so next for third sum, 1,08,099. So if we want to add means 99 plus 100. So we got the answer is 100. Next we have means 9 minus 1, that is 8. So 1,08,098. Okay, we got it. Okay, we got it, the answer. So now you know that what's the meaning of successor and what's the meaning of predecessor and how we have to find the answer. Okay, so next we are going to see summarizing about this video. So what we have learned here learned one small introduction about the whole numbers, and next we have learned meanings of successor, and in this video we have learned about the predecessor also, and finally we have learned how to find the predecessor and successor for given problem. I hope so you have understood about this concept. If you are liking this video, like my channel, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon to share and give comment.